Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8, English version, Math, Exercise 4.2. Question number 9, 10. If a equals to minus 3 and b equals to 2, find the value of 8a plus 36a square b plus 54ab square plus 27b cube. We just have to find the value of this expression, and it pretty much it looks like a plus b whole cube form. We know a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Let us write it. A plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We have to find the value of 8a cube. Question number 9. 8a cube plus 36 a square b plus 54 a b square plus 27 b cube equals to, can we write 2a whole cube to make it look like a cube, plus 3 into a square means, here a means 2a, so 2a whole square, and b 3b. How much is it? If we simplify, 3 into 4, 12 into 3, 36, a square b, so just equal, plus, can we write it in the form 3ab square? 3a, a means 2a, 2a, b means 3b, ab square, plus, so is it equals to 54ab square? 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 9, 54, a, b square, yes, it's equal, and 27b cube means 3b whole cube. Now straightway we can write a plus b whole cube. Here a means 2a and b means 3b whole cube. Now we can put the value of a and b, and if we put the value of a and b, it becomes 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into b means 2 and whole cube. Write comment putting the value of a b equals to 3 into 2, 6, minus 6 plus 6 is 0. How? Okay, let us write it. Let's write the detail. 3 into 2 means minus 6, plus 3 into 2 means plus 6, whole cube equals to 0 cube equals to 0. Answer is 0. Question number 10. Find the value of a cube plus 6a square plus 12a plus 1. A cube plus 6a square plus 12a plus 1 equals to a cube plus 6a square, a cube plus 3 into a square to b. How much we should write so that it is equals to 6a square? we can write 2 and 3ab square. 3ab square, how much is b? 2. So 2 square, is it equals to 12a? Yes, 3 into 4, 12a. And what should be b? 2. 2 cube. So how much more we have written? This equals to 8. Here was only 1. So we have to deduct 7 equals to. We can write a plus, we can apply a plus formula a plus b whole cube, and a cube, from a cube to 2 cube, this will be a plus 2 whole cube minus 7. Let us put the value of a equals to 7 plus 2 whole cube minus 7. Let us say here, putting the value of a. Putting the value of a. Equals to 7 plus 2 whole cube minus 7 equals to 9 cube minus 7 equals to, how much is 9 cube? 81, and 9 multiply 9, 72, 8 into 9, 72, 729. 729 minus 7 equals to 722. So answer is 722. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.